We're making a delicious, vegan, sugar-free chocolate mousse that's high in protein. It really doesn't get better than that. Hi guys, welcome back to Bread and Butter. As you can see, I'm really excited because today we're gonna be making one of those sweet treats that's also ridiculously good for you. Don't you just love it when these two components kind of meet? So this is a chocolate mousse and it's vegan, which basically means that it's lactose-free, it's sugar-free, and it's high in protein. It honestly doesn't get better than this. Let's run through the ingredient list and then blend it up because it comes together in minutes. That's also a serious added bonus. Now, for the plant-based source of protein, we're gonna be using silken tofu. Silken tofu, it's important because it has this beautiful, silky texture and consistency, and it blends beautifully well. And when you introduce it with these ingredients, it just becomes this smooth, chocolatey, heaven in a spoon. It's really good. Silken tofu, protein, good stuff. We're gonna be adding some cashew butter. This is not only a great source of fats, it also adds a little bit of sweetness because cashew nuts are sweet and divine, and this again goes really well together. We're gonna be adding carob to intensify the chocolatey flavor. You could use a cocoa powder, but I like carob here. We need a little bit of melted chocolate. Now I'm gonna melt this with a tiny bit of coconut oil, and again, look for vegan chocolate. It's only 30 grams. It's just a tiny amount, but it does it multiplies the chocolate flavor together with the carob and one more special ingredient. As always, below in the description, I've listed all the ingredients with the exact proportions. So head down there for the vital information. We're gonna be using one banana. It's gonna be adding, again, sweetness and a lot of health benefits. This stuff has a lot of potassium. It's very good for you. And it's great in this mousse. Now, a bit of salt to intensify all the flavors, and this. You could ask, is this an important ingredient? And I could say you could skip it, but don't. I'm gonna be using coffee. We need just a little bit of, this is really good stuff. This is French vanilla instant coffee. So it's infused. If you don't have vanilla infused coffee, just use the regular instant coffee and add a dash of vanilla. But this is really good. And because I'm gonna be feeding a lot of this mousse to my kids, I got decaf. But if you're gonna be eating this for breakfast and you like a caffeine fix, use the normal one. That's it. This is all you need. I think it's really basic staples of any kitchen. Now, we just need a blender and it's gonna do all the hard work for us. We're gonna melt this, blend this, and then just chill. Refrigerate and chill. Now I'm gonna be honest, I usually make a big batch of these. I kind of portion them out and they live rent-free in my fridge. And if you keep the mousse overnight, the consistency changes. It still stays really airy, but it will become more firm. This has been in the fridge maybe for 2 hours, so it's gonna be very smooth and not so kind of put together, but let's try it. Oh my goodness, look at this. I think the key to a chocolate mousse is layering the flavors. The banana, maybe a slight hint, but you have like the coffee, you have the carob and the melted chocolate. It really all comes together and becomes this like divine treat. Oh my God. But just the fact that it's vegan and has protein in it just makes it such a guilt-free pleasure. What I do is I portion it out and just keep it covered in foil in the fridge. And I usually decorate it right before I serve it. And now you could go with berries. I love to add some nuts. Today it's pine nuts, which are toasted. Pistachios or cashews work really well. But you can also have a little tiramisu vibe and just grate over some dark chocolate on top. So it's gonna be like chocolate and chocolate and chocolate. So good. If you try the recipe, please drop me a comment below. Let me know how you like it. And let me know if you want me to share some other recipes. Like, what are you in the mood for? I can't even, so good.